and that's it. And that is your big puff. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Curlykinkydee. I'm also known as Donna. So today I'm just gonna do a high puff and show you guys how I put my hair into high puff, especially on the days that when my wash and go didn't go too good and my hair's all flaky and you know there's residue on my hair, and I just wanted to last until wash day. So guys, this is what I do. I'm going to go in with my hard brush. It's got quite a lot of hairs on it. So, and I'm going to brush this up like this, what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to go in with the Eco Style olive oil gel. I'm going to take some of that and just rub it all along where I brushed. And just press it down, guys. And you just brush this. I'm looking on that side, guys, because my mirror is on the side. Alright, and you do exactly the same with the back. So you go in with the stretchy band, and what I do is I just put it completely over, and you then pull it over and you just kind of roll your band up to how you want it. So and just make sure to push it to the way you want it, guys. I know I wanted more of a giving on the sides. Okay. So what you do, you just play with your pick it all out, just to give it that great big puff. Okay, pick it out at the back. Okay, now to do a bit of my edges, guys, I then will go in with my hard brush, take some more gel, and then just try and see where my flyaway hairs are. Maybe I should cut myself some edges because I do like the edge look. Love it. Okay, and then I will go in with my toothbrushes because it's smoothed it with. And then what you do, guys, you wrap your scarf around or your silk scarf around for about 2 minutes. I'm going to go and put my silk scarf on for about 2 minutes while I just quickly apply some lippy. And yeah, guys, so I'm ready to take it off. And this is the final look. So like I say, play around with it, but I love a good high puff and I like my hair really big. And as you see, I use the pick, so you know, pick it out, do whatever, but this is what I love. This is my go-to style. So this is what it looks like, guys. Close up. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial of a high puff. It's a very easy, very quick, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up and do subscribe if you guys want to see some more videos of me, and I hope to see you on my channel soon. Bye.